There we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got all 8 of the chickens out here running around. I'm getting ready to take them in for the night, even though they're not ready to go in. I'm going to trick them. That gray rooster, he's stubborn. He's hard to trick. The rest of them, they go right on in when I do it. Now yesterday, the colonel, that guy right there, he was really aggressive with me. I don't know why. He'd never been aggressive with me before, but he sure was yesterday. And he would not back off either. I thumped him with my foot a few times and chased him and yelled at him, flailed my arms. He just kept coming at me. I don't know why. Well, we did a little something here today. See, look at them. They know what's coming. They know what's coming. Did something today. Let me get this turned on so you can see better. Hopefully you can see. Yeah. Those are the turkeys. I don't know how well you can see them. They got big since we got them a couple weeks ago. We brought them out here and put them in a cage in the corner of the chicken pen inside their inside coop. Try to get them used to the chickens and chickens used to them so that otherwise the chickens might decide to eat them. There they are. Look at them little guys. Not so little anymore, actually. Yep, 3 turkeys. I'm going to guess I got 2 toms and a hen just looking at them. One's a little smaller and colored slightly differently. They all look the same when they were little. And I'm trying this as a nesting box because there's a couple of chickens that have tried to go broody, but they haven't succeeded. And I was afraid that with the chicken boxes up here, if they hatched babies, how would they get the babies down to feed? Because baby chicks gotta eat. They don't nurse like mammals do. They have to start eating, pecking up food right away. And they can't get down and back up. So I figured a nesting box on the ground would be good. And I took one leftover egg and stuck it in there to let them know that's what it's for. And of course they came in, laid another egg up here. Go figure. Anyway, that's what we did. We moved the turkeys out here to get them used to the chickens and vice versa. Got the heat lamp up here in case they need it. I don't think they're going to need it tonight because it's plenty humid and warm. But once they get used to this being home for a week or two, I'll let them out and hopefully the chickens won't eat them. They should be quite a bit bigger by then because if you've never raised turkeys, but you have raised chickens, I am here to tell you turkeys grow twice as fast as chickens. Twice as fast. That's what's going on now. I want to take this bucket of seeds I got left. Look at them. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. There we go. I hear that ching. That goes through the thing on the top. Well, even the gray one came in. That's unusual. The gray rooster, I usually have to wait and wait on him. He ran right in. I'm surprised. Yeah. Look at that. I got you all real quick and easy. I'm surprised. Yep. Got them all in there. Got some nice fresh water. Give them a little bit more. There you go. They like this black sunflower bird seed. They like it almost as much as the worms, the little dried grub worms. The seed's a whole lot cheaper than the grub worms. There they are. I just thought some of you might have had chickens at one point in your life and you don't anymore, and maybe you missed those sounds. So I just went silent and let you enjoy them. Thanks a lot for watching. And please subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. We'll look forward to seeing you next time on Spring Holler Farm.